The study, the newer methods have to do with visualization and imagery, and that is ended up what I've been doing. But I found out as I worked with this, there was a lot in the normal hypnosis that did not need to be there. It's time consuming, you don't need it. And so I began to take out things and replace it with other things that I found worked. As long as you're not harming the client, you're free to experiment. Because somebody had to start this in the beginning anyway. Somebody had to figure out how to do it. So I said, most of the people out there who were teaching hypnosis are just repeating what they were taught by somebody else, by somebody else, by someone else. They don't even question why they're doing it. They don't question how they could do it different or why they are doing these different things. So I began to adapt my own technique. And this